Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer real estate titles with Compass, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer real estate titles with Compass, start by gathering all necessary documents. Ensure you have the current title deed and any relevant property agreements. Log in to your Compass dashboard using your credentials. Navigate to the Transactions section of the platform. Select the property for which you wish to transfer the title. Click on the Transfer Title option in the menu. Enter the details of the new owner, including their full name and contact information. Verify that all information is accurate and up to date. Upload the necessary supporting documents to complete the transfer. Review the transfer details carefully before proceeding. Once confirmed, submit the transfer request. Compass will process your request and update the title accordingly. You will receive a notification once the transfer is complete. Check your dashboard for confirmation and access the updated title documents. If you encounter any issues, contact Compass support for assistance. Follow up to ensure the transfer reflects in the public records. With these steps, you can successfully transfer real estate titles using Compass. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.